In this tutorial, we're going to talk about position on the road. Position is easy to do correctly, but it's also easy to forget about. In this video, we're going to give you guidance on where you should position your vehicle for different situations. Examples: driving within your lane. Driving to the left position of your lane is the normal position on a clear road, but the lane width also plays part on how far left you should be. We advise the driver in or around the center of the lane position, which gives you an offset position to the left, as you can see in this image. So if the driver is in the center of a normal or wide lane, your vehicle will be enough to the left. The parked position. When parked, you should be within 30 centimeters of the curb. This means if you are 20 centimeters from the curb, you are within the correct allowed distance. Position turning left. Stay left. Don't be too close to the left. Position turning right. Move to the right of your lane. Don't cut corners when turning. Position on roundabouts. Once you understand position in normal driving, for a roundabout, you use the correct lane and the position within that lane. So for a first exit, on the left in this case, stay left and use the left lane. For the second exit, which is at 12 o'clock in this case, stay left and use the lane provided. This also depends on the roundabout and road markings on the approach. For the third exit, which is on the right in this case, you stay to the right on the approach and use the lane provided. When you're on the roundabout, you would stay close to the island when you're going right. Position overtaking parked vehicles. You should leave door space. This means you allow for a door to open fully. Now I'm going to answer a very common question here. The question is, can I be less than door space? The answer is yes. So, you can be less than door space, provided you slow down enough beforehand. This is very important when it comes to positioning, but this is related to hazards. Your driving instructor will help you with your position for all situations, so make sure you get live lessons. Also, look at all our videos. You will see different positions in use for different situations.